Did they want to play?
Yeah.
I think the cops wanted to play touch with these kids. The millennials. Millennials. What kind of name is millennials? Oh, here, look. Coyote Ugly. Maybe that's where I'll go for my second drink.